Hi, this is David Steele, and I'm going to demonstrate how to set up an SS850. When you receive it, it'll come in a box, typically a crate, and once you have the various components removed from the crate, it will set up something like this. To start off with, we can start with installing the conveyor. Now the conveyor just basically, it's easy to just snap it onto one side and it will snap into place. There's a spacer that will fit between those brackets to allow you to clamp it into position. So there's a 1/4 bolt. And we'll get it set somewhat close for the time being. We'll be putting the drive shaft on in just a minute. There's a bracket on the back of the ceiling head. That will locate in this receiver on the frame. Sealer setup. Now we just have to attach the drive shaft, and to do that, step around the back side of the machine and locate the flats on the shaft. Slide those into position. Wiggle back and forth to make sure you've got your set screws that hold that shaft on the flats, and tighten those up, making sure that you wiggle this back and forth to ensure that as you tighten it, that the set screw is actually locked onto the flat and not onto the shaft. Once you've done that, essentially you're set up. Plug the unit into a 110 volt or 115 volt outlet. This draws approximately 10 amps maximum, runs about 7 when the heaters are on, so there's a 10 amp fuse in there. So as long as you have a circuit that can handle 10 amps, you're pretty much good, which means you could plug it into like your home, any place pretty much in your house. And that's it. Switch it on. You can adjust your speed, adjust your temperature, so it will take a few minutes and warm up to 280 degrees, and then you're ready to go.